Welcome, dreamers and doers, to a journey where we unlock the secrets to not just dreaming about wealth, but actually achieving it. You're here because, deep down that there's more to life than the ordinary, and you're right. Everyone's path to success is unique, but there are unmistakable signs that you're on the right track to making your financial dreams a reality. In this video, we're diving into 15 key indicators that suggest you're destined to make a significant impact on your bank account in the future. So, hit subscribe and let's explore these signs together and discover whether you're on the path to unparalleled wealth. Are you ready to see where you stand? Let's get started. 1. The wealth wave. Recognizing the abundance of opportunity. The future is brimming with potential, and you're just at the starting line, eager for what's to come. You sense there's more to life, and you're right. Wealth and success are within reach. Recognizing the abundance of money currently flowing in the market is the first sign you're on your way to financial greatness. 2. The patient pursuer. Mastering the art of timely success. Patience is a virtue, especially when it comes to building wealth. You're driven, constantly pushing forward with a hunger that can't be satisfied. This steady, burning urgency shows you understand that true wealth takes time, setting you apart as someone destined for prosperity. 3. Beyond the 9-to-5, unlocking financial freedom through entrepreneurship. Breaking free from the conventional job market, you realize that a 9-to-5 job isn't the ticket to wealth. Instead, you see the value in entrepreneurship, leveraging technology and innovation to build your fortune. This insight is a clear indicator that you're not just playing the game, you're changing it. 4. Modest means massive wealth, the secret of living below your means. Living modestly now is your secret weapon for future riches. By resisting the urge to splurge, you're setting a solid foundation for financial success. It's not about impressing others, but about building a sustainable wealth that lasts. 5. The savvy saver. How saving 80% of your income accelerates wealth. You're a master at managing your finances, saving or reinvesting a significant portion of your income. This discipline allows you to accelerate towards your financial goals, proving that you're serious about building wealth. It's a strategy that underscores your commitment to your financial future. 6. Intellectual riches. Earning wealth with your mind. Your intellect is your most valuable asset, and you use it to its fullest potential. Understanding that your mind is the key to unlimited earnings, you focus on intellectual pursuits over physical labor. This approach not only sets you up for financial success, but also ensures a life of continuous growth and learning. 7. Profit. Wisdom. The smart cycle of reinvestment. You've learned the art of profit-taking and reinvestment from the best. This strategy of cycling profits into new investments keeps your wealth growing. It's a smart move that ensures you're not just rich on paper, but in reality. 8. Riding the wave. Thriving in emerging industries. You're riding the wave of change by immersing yourself in emerging industries. This forward-thinking approach places you at the forefront of innovation and growth. Being in the right industry at the right time can catapult you to the top, and you're well on your way. 9. Diversify or die. Building resilient streams of income. Diversification is your strategy for financial resilience. By continuously adding new streams of income, you're not just surviving, you're thriving. This ability to generate wealth from various sources is like having the ultimate financial superpower. 10. The eternal student. Continuous learning as a path to wealth. Your commitment to financial education is unwavering. By constantly learning about money, you're equipping yourself with the tools needed to manifest wealth. This dedication to growth ensures you're always ahead of the curve. 11. Smart spending. The art of investing in what truly matters. Frugality is your guiding principle, avoiding wasteful spending on unnecessary items. This discernment in spending demonstrates a mature approach to wealth, where every dollar is directed towards building your financial future. It's a mindset that distinguishes the financially savvy from the spendthrifts. 12. Success by association. The influence of your social circle. The company you keep reflects your ambitions. Surrounded by successful friends, you're in an environment that encourages growth and excellence. This network of high achievers propels you towards your financial goals, proving that success breeds success. 13. Visibility. Equals value. Gaining recognition in your field. Excellence in your field is drawing attention. Your achievements are not going unnoticed, and as your reputation grows, so does your potential for wealth. This momentum is a powerful force, attracting opportunities and financial rewards. 14. Debt discipline. Differentiating good debt from bad. You're smart about debt, eliminating liabilities that don't work in your favor. This strategic approach to finance, focusing on good debt that others pay off, is a clear indicator of your financial acumen. It's a sophisticated tactic that amplifies your wealth-building capabilities. 15. Outwork the competition. The power of extreme outputs. Your work ethic is unmatched, putting in efforts that far exceed those around you. This intense dedication to your goals is a sure sign of future success. By outperforming your competition, you're setting yourself up for unparalleled financial rewards. By embodying these signs, you're not just dreaming of a wealthy future, you're actively constructing it. Each step you take is a testament to your determination and foresight. How many of these signs do you see in yourself? Share your journey and let's celebrate the path to financial abundance together.